Apple Vision Pro could give doctors superpowers, says US-based surgeon.
A surgeon in the US has said that Apple's newly announced mixed reality headset, Vision Pro, has the potential to provide doctors superpowers. Dr. Raphael Grossman, a general surgeon with a background in robotic surgery and the first to live stream a surgery using Google Glass, believes the Apple Vision Pro could be very useful during an operation when information is critical to a patient's survival, according to WMTW TV station network.
Within the operating room, you are gathering data in mixed reality that is helping you in real time, in a synchronous fashion, to the procedure, Grossman was quoted as saying.
That allows you to not have to turn your head, where you can actually bring the computer. So that's what we call spatial computing, he added.
The surgeon also hopes that Apple's new headset will improve on existing technology by moving data, notes, and displays from other medical devices to a virtual display, according to the report. Earlier this month, Apple unveiled the Vision Pro headset, which seamlessly blends the digital world with the real one around us.